Yeah, so to make you feel better, we were all a little bit lost and so when we came. So our guest speaker tonight is Dr. Jerzy Gawor. So he's also affectionately known as Dr. Coconut in China because it's Jerzy. Yeah, so all the Chinese students that he teach, they just call him Dr. Coconut. So he graduated in 1992 from the Faculty of Veterinary Medicine in Poland, and then he got his PhD in endodontics in 1996, and he became a specialist in surgery. Well, before that, then he was also a specialist surgeon as well. So he's actually a surgeon specialist, and then also then he eventually became a veterinary dentist. So he became a fellow of the Academy of Veterinary Dentistry in 2009, and 2015 he became a diplomat of American Veterinary Dental College and European Veterinary Dental College. His main field of professional activity is dentistry, head and neck surgery, and oncology. So we're very pleased to have him here today to share that with us. So let's just welcome Dr. Coconut.
Thank you. Thank you so much for a nice introduction. Thank you everybody for coming tonight. Thanks to Vet Central for organizing this event. Thanks SmileTech for sponsoring that kindly. And let me occupy tonight some time for the veterinary imaging. Veterinary imaging and the importance of oral diagnostics. That's something which is critical for performing a good dentistry, and with the dentist we always claim that there is no dentistry without radiography, without good dental imaging. And with time we can observe a growing progress and further progress in technology, in imaging. So the first part of the speech will be focusing on a two-dimensional